Alright, in this video we are finally at the 10,000 subscriber mark. Thank you all so much. 2018 has been an awesome year. At the beginning of 2018 I was sitting at 6,000 subs, and here we are 8-9 months later and we just passed that 10,000 subscriber mark. I say we because that is you all who have helped me get to here, and you all are the reason I do what I do. You've probably heard me say that several times if you've been tuning into my videos for quite a while. As a token of my appreciation, I do want to do a shopping spree, if you will, at Best Buy or Amazon. If you live in another country where Best Buy or Amazon is not accessible, no worries, I will take care of you. So this shopping spree at Best Buy or Amazon, these are probably two of my favorite places to shop. There's going to be 3 prizes for shopping sprees, and then there's this $10 gift card of your choice. 5 folks are going to have a chance to win that. So we're talking about 8 people winning something in this giveaway or contest or whatever you want to call it. Here's what you got to do. You got to solve this kin, this 4x4 kin. If you're not familiar with kin, no worries. I do have a video here, Improve Mental Math and Problem Solving with kin. So this puzzle here that I do in this video is much more difficult than this 4x4 that you see here. This should not take you too long to solve, and I wanted to make it easy because I want all of you to participate. Every single one of you, take 2 minutes out of your time, solve this puzzle, and then how do you submit an answer so that you can possibly win a prize. Whatever 4 numbers you have in these 4 yellow circles, multiply these 4 numbers together and you will submit that in the form which is linked in the pinned comment below. Just look for a link to that form. All you got to do is solve the puzzle, multiply these 4 numbers together that appear in the yellow circles, submit that through the form, and then you'll be in the contest. To have a chance to win, you have to submit the correct answer, and the prizes will be completely random. So you don't have to submit first or submit last or anything like that. Everybody that gets it right, I'll put your name in a hat, so to speak. I'll make a video when I do this, obviously. And then we'll draw names for the first, second, third, and the 5 additional prizes. And yeah, that's it. That's all you have to do for a chance to win one of these 8 prizes up here. And again, thank you all so much. And that's it for this video. I hope it helped.